I first started with some reference photos of Dwayne Johnson and Black Adam. Then I got to work. I'm using Procreate for this design, and for the initial sketch, I'm using the HB pencil, and I'm gonna kind of use all the reference photos and try to merge them into one drawing. So I decided to go with like a profile with him looking at the viewer. So the main thing about this drawing is to do it in my own style and just get the essence of Dwayne Johnson and Black Adam in one unique drawing. So once I have the initial tilt of the head the way I want it, and we're just trying to get the facial features as best we can. And in my opinion, doing this drawing, that is the most challenging part, is getting the facial features to even just resemble him or have the essence of Dwayne Johnson. So I wasn't going for like a photorealistic look. Just wanted the essence. So we definitely want to get the shape of the head, that ball head. Once you get that, you're kind of, good to go. Just make sure we get the arms in there. The lightning bolt on the chest. And the thing with Procreate, if you know you want areas that has certain shading or certain colors, remember, close off the shape. So I'm closing off where I want the black, because I'm just gonna dump black in there and get that going. And definitely when you're doing drawings in like a comic book kind of style, you want the bold black areas. That just brings the drawing, gives it more contrast. It just looks better. Even if you add some shading, blending on top of that, you just enhance it. But it looks good even if you don't do that. But my plan is to blend and blur some of this and, kind of get the black flowing into the blue. So we want another layer of darker blue around the black there. Kind of tone it down. Let's get some of, once you put shadow on one area of your drawing, you need to get everything uniformed and add shadow throughout. Because that's just going to enhance it and make everything flow nicely. Get that shadow under the neck. For just a freestyle drawing, this was a fun drawing to do. So if ever, you're looking for any kind of, you have the writer's block, AKA the drawing block, it's always good to just find things you like, characters you like, and just redraw them in your own style, Get some highlights going up inside there. Shadow under the nostrils there. I'm just gonna blur some of that the highlight area there on his arms. That's like diving down a rabbit hole. Once you start with the smoothing out the edges and these type of things, you have to do it all over now, because whatever you do in one area to enhance your drawing or take it to the next level, remember, you need to start doing it over the entire piece, because you don't want the eye to get stuck somewhere. You want the viewer to just see it as one whole uniformed, harmonious piece. Because sometimes you get bogged down with the details of the face or whatever it is that you're doing that you might have enjoyed the most. Then you end up, without even knowing it, make that like a focal point. You want the entire piece to be a focal point. You might have certain areas that, draws the eye more, but you don't want to make that be a reason you neglect other areas of your drawing. Just keep that in mind. We're just blurring everything out. Get some of the hard edges of that black to flow. Chest, get some of that going. Just trying to figure out a color for the background that doesn't clash with his suit. And we're just adding a little highlight around him. And there you have it, folks. We are done. Black Adam is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, smash that like button, attack the subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys thought. Any feedback will be appreciated. I read them all. Until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.